Well, today's additional note by Justice Athar Minallah adds to the confusion and uncertainty that has been emanating from the Supreme Court for the last few weeks. We saw earlier that there were two distinct views which had emerged from the hearing of suo motu case number 1 of 2023. There was one view espoused by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, which held that the suo motu and all connected petitions had been dismissed by a majority of 4 against 3, whereas the other view, espoused by Justice Athar Minallah and Justice Munib Akhtar, held that the suo motu and all connected petitions had been allowed by a majority of 3 against 2. Now, the recent additional notes by Justice Yahya Afridi and Justice Athar Minallah lent credence to the view which was espoused by Justice Mansoor Ali Shah, because both judges give the reasons why they dismiss the suo motu. And it is conspicuous that the view is not their tentative view, or it is not their prima facie view, it is their conclusive view. So as a result, the suo motu case number 1 and all proceedings emanating therefrom appear to be without any basis in law. And given all the questions which these judges have raised, including that of the legality and constitutionality of the very dissolution of assemblies, it perhaps would have been more appropriate to constitute a full court to address all these questions. But given the Chief Justice's continued recalcitrance to constitute the full benches, it appears that the confusion emanating from the Supreme Court would continue unabated, and it appears that different political stakeholders would have their different political and legal interpretations of the jurisprudence emanating from the court.